Welcome to Story Mapping. In this video, we'll explore how to visualize user journeys and plan incremental product releases using a powerful technique called story mapping. Story mapping is a visual technique that arranges user stories in a two-dimensional map. On the horizontal axis, you show the user's complete journey, and on the vertical axis, you prioritize features from most important at the top to nice to have at the bottom. This helps teams understand the big picture and plan incremental releases that deliver value early. A story map consists of three key layers. At the top level, you have user activities, which represent the high-level goals users want to achieve. Below that are user tasks, which are the specific steps needed to complete each activity. And at the bottom are user stories, which are individual features prioritized by their business value. Let's look at an example using an e-commerce website. The user journey has three main activities: browse products, select items, and checkout. Under Browse, users might want to view products, filter results, and search for items. Under Select, they add to cart, save favorites, and compare items. Under Checkout, they enter payment details, apply coupons, and track orders. The red line shows the boundary for the first release, which includes only the essential features needed for a minimum viable product. Creating a story map involves four key steps. First, identify user activities by mapping the user's end-to-end journey at a high level. Second, break down each activity into specific tasks that users must perform. Third, write user stories that describe individual features needed for each task. Fourth, prioritize these stories vertically, arranging them from most important at the top to least important at the bottom. This vertical ordering determines which features go into which release. Story maps make release planning straightforward. You draw horizontal lines across your map to slice it into releases based on value and dependencies. Release 1 contains your minimum viable product with only the core features users absolutely need. Release 2 adds enhanced features and user experience improvements. Release 3 includes advanced features and optimizations. This approach ensures each release delivers meaningful value to users. Story mapping offers four major benefits. First, it creates shared understanding because the entire team visualizes the complete user experience together, reducing miscommunication. Second, it identifies gaps by revealing missing features in the user journey that might otherwise be overlooked. Third, it enables better prioritization by making value-based release decisions clearer and more objective. Fourth, it supports incremental delivery by helping teams plan meaningful releases that deliver user value early rather than waiting for everything to be complete. To get the most from story mapping, follow these best practices. First, collaborate with your entire team when building the map, including product managers, developers, and designers, because diverse perspectives uncover important details. Second, use physical sticky notes for easy reorganization during workshops, as it encourages discussion and flexibility. Third, keep the map visible and updated throughout development so it remains a reference guide. Fourth, focus on user goals rather than technical features, which keeps the team aligned on what matters most to users. Let's recap the key points. First, story mapping visualizes the user journey and helps teams understand context and purpose. Second, horizontal lines define release boundaries based on value and dependencies, enabling strategic planning. Third, story maps enable incremental releases that deliver early user value instead of long development cycles. Fourth, collaboration during the mapping process ensures shared understanding across the entire team. Story mapping is a powerful tool that bridges the gap between understanding users and shipping products efficiently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.